Okay, now we will solve examples, different kind of examples for continuity. Okay, so my first example is basically we will get a definition. A function has same definition on both sides of the given point. Okay, here we need to check the function's continuity at x is equal to 0. It is given here. Okay, and we also know that when x is equal to 0, it is 0, but when x is not equal to 0, this is defined by this function. So these type of function where we get two definition here, right? One is when x is not equal to 0 and one is when x is equal to 0. We call it a function which has same definition on both sides of the given point. The given point is 0, and when it is, you can say, left hand side, then also this is the definition. On RHS, this is also definition, but at x is equal to 0 we have 0. So this definition we will use for left hand limit and right hand limit, and this definition we will use for our FA. So we need to find L, we need to find R. FA is already given, which is 0, so we don't need to find FA here. So let us find out my L. L is what? You can say limit h tends to 0, e raised 1 upon 0 minus h minus 1 e. Correct? This is my left hand limit where I have taken x as 0 minus h. You can write it like here, x tends to 0 minus, which is equal to 0 minus h for left hand limit. Then so it will be like e minus 1 by h minus 1 upon e plus 1. Correct? This will give me 1 upon e 1 by h minus 1. Right? Since the power was negative, so we had made positive by taking the reciprocal of it. Now if you take h as 0, this 1 by h will become infinity. H is not equal to 0, it is very close to 0, so 1 by h will become infinity, and power as infinity, e raised to infinity, will give you again infinity, right? See, 1 by h when h tends to 0 is infinity, so e raised to infinity will also give you infinity. Correct? And 1 upon infinity is basically what? 0. So we can call it as 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, which is minus 1. Correct? So here, by finding just one limit, we can say that this function is not continuous. Why? Because it is minus 1 here and it is 0 here. We don't need to find the RHL, but still if you want to find RHL, we can find out. R is equal to limit h tends to 0, e 0 plus h right. So in question, in board also, if you can write that only while calculating L, and if you think that L is not equal to FA, you can directly write that this function is not continuous. Right, now we cannot take infinity as our value, so what we need to do, we need to divide all the terms by e raised to 1 by h. So it will be like 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon. So what we have done, we have divided all the term by e 1 by h, okay, so that this term comes in denominator, because we know that in denominator we can take the value as infinity. So 1 by E 1 by h will becomes 0. 1 minus 0 upon, so our L, R and FA all are different from each other. Left hand limit is -1, right hand limit is 1 and FA is 0. So this function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, let us solve the type 2 example, which is a function has different definitions on both sides, right? So we have a point which is what, 1 by 2, and on left hand side of 1 by 2 means if x is less than 1 by 2, we have a different definition, 1 by 2 minus x, and when x is greater than 1 by 2 means RHL, we have a different definition which is 3 by 2 minus x. So the two definitions L and R are different, hence this is a different type of example. So let us find out our LHL first. Left hand limit, so it is like limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus fx, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 by 2 minus h, right? So we have replaced here from x to h and the limit changes to 0 and our x will be what, 1 by 2 minus h. So for less than value of 1 by 2 we will take this function. So limit h tends to 0, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus h. This will give you limit h tends to 0 h, and since we cannot do anything else there, we will put h is equal to 0. So my LHL is 0, correct? Now from here only we can say that this is not continuous because my FA is what, 1, right? Let us find out RHL also. Limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus right? So your RHL is 1, right? So your RHL is equal to FA, but your LHL is not equal to your FA, hence it is not continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. Now coming to type 3 example, here it will be given that the function is continuous. You don't need to prove it that the function is continuous, okay? It will be given that function is continuous. You need to find the value of a constant, some unknown constant will be there, and you need to find the value of that. In this we will solve 3 types of examples. First I have taken this one where the definition for both the sides is same and my FA is k. We need to find the value of k. It is given that the function is continuous. So in this kind of problem where the limit is, or you can say the definition is same for both the sides, you don't need to find the LHL or RHL. You just need to find the limit. How? By just putting the value there, but before that you need to remove the factor which will make the function discontinuous. For example, here if you need to find the limit, right, what is this? Limit x tends to 3. Here I am not doing any LHL or RHL, I am just finding the limit here. X square minus 9 upon x minus 3. If you put directly the value of 3, then this function will become discontinuous. You will not get the value of this function because denominator we have x minus 3. So what we need to do? We need to first remove this factor. Now you can put the value of x is equal to 3. So you will get 3 plus 3 is 6. Correct? So this is my limit. Now we know that fa is f3 is what? K. Now this function is continuous, so it should be k should be equal to what? 6, because it should be equal to our limit. So we have not calculated the LHL or RHL, we have just directly calculated the limit by putting the value, and then before basically what we have done, we remove the factor which will make it discontinuous. So this is the first example. Now we will solve another examples. Now my second example is of the case where the definition at both sides are different. It means my LHL is different, my RHL is different, right? The definition, and FA is there. And here there is only one constant, which is A, right? Definitions are 2, but constant is only 1. Here you can use any of the value, either LHL or RHL, but one only. You don't need to find both of them. So suppose I am taking LHL. So for 2 minus function we have limit h tends to 0 f 2 minus h, since it is less than h 2, we will use this function which is 2, correct? It will be like putting h is equal to 0, it will be 3, right? So if you equate this value with your FA is what? A. So your A is equal to 3. Even if you have taken RHL, suppose I am not taking LHL, I am taking RHL. Limit x tends to 2 plus. Putting the h 0, you will get 3. So here also RHL is 3, because it is given that the function is continuous, so you will not get different values for LHL or RHL. So you will get the same value, and you can use any one of these RHL or LHL to get the value of the constant. Now in the third example, what here is same thing, two definitions. One is for LHL, here LHL is this LHL and this is RHL, and we have two values, two constant A and B. We need to find the value of A and B. Here we will use both the limits. This is my LHL, this is my RHL, this is FA. Right? So let us find out first LHL. My point is 1. Right, now putting h is equal to 0, we will get 5a minus 2b. Your RHL okay, by putting h is equal to 0, you will get 3a plus b. And so this LHL and RHL both should be equal to each other, and both should be equal to my FA also, right? FA is what? 11. So we can write 5a minus 2b is equal to 11, also 3a plus b is equal to 11. Now solving it simultaneously, so just multiply it by 2, you will get 6a plus 2b is 22, and then if you add these two, this 2b will get cancelled. 11a will be equal to what? 33. So a is equal to 3. Putting value of a 3a plus b is equal to 11. You can put 9 plus b. Right? So this way we can solve and we can find the values of our constant. Now let us solve our type 4 question, which is of composite functions. Right? Here you can get two kind of questions. One is general, where no point is given, and another is where point is also given. So this is my general case where nothing is given. You need to prove that fx is continuous. So let us say your gx is sin x plus cos x, and your hx is mod of x. So fx is basically what? H of gx. See, if you can find out here, h of gx, which is what? H of sin x plus cos x, you will get sin x plus mod. So my fx is basically what? A composite function of two functions. Now gx is continuous. Why? Because it is a combination of sine and cosine, and we know that sine and cosine are continuous everywhere. Similarly, your hx is also continuous because it's a modulus function, and we know that modulus function is continuous everywhere. So HOG is also continuous. So fx is continuous. So you need to write statements in a statement about these things, that gx is continuous, hx is continuous, and hence fx is also continuous. So this was the general case. Now you need to prove that this is continuous at x is equal to pi. So what we will do, again we have gx, which is sin x plus cos x, and hx, which is mod x. We need to prove first gx as continuous, which is x is equal to pi, and whatever the value will come of gx, we will prove that the hx is continuous at that point. So let us first find out whether gx is continuous or not. So if you find the limit, you will get sin pi plus cos pi, or if you write pi plus h, if you want to write, limit h tends to 0, let us say plus sin pi plus h plus cos pi plus h, you will get sin pi plus cos pi 0 minus 1, which is minus 1, and your g pi GA will be again sin pi plus cos pi, which is equal to -1. So limit and your g pi both are equal, so we can say that my gx is continuous at x is equal to pi. Now we have got our g pi value as -1, so we have to prove hx continuous at x is equal to -1. So let us say limit x tends to -1 plus your hx will be equal to what? Mod of -1 plus h, which is -1, which is 1. Similarly, you can find -1 minus also, you will get 1 only, and your h of -1 is what? Is 1. So your hx is also continuous, hence my fx is continuous.